Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Sayo pagyud karon sa buntag kay wala pa may alas 8. Ginarimay nako ang tanan nakong clients under nako Southern Mindanao area. Please text or send your number of days for the period February 1 to 15. Please send your number of days to my messenger today or text your number of days sa ako ang mobile phone. To all the clients of BOCI, BT Consumer, NBS or Abacos, Davao Amigo, Apollo Technology, Geron Distribution, Astra Group, Sanitec. Please submit also your DTR on time tomorrow in the evening or February 16 in the early morning. Please guys, please follow the system para di ta magka-problema sa inyong pasahod. And also, happy Hearts Day to everyone. Happy Valentine's. God bless us all.